of DPS Ruby Park Junior School, I would like to extend warm greetings to Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends on the occasion of Durga Puja, the most awaited festival of Bengal, which is now round the corner. This year, due to the pandemic, we are unable to celebrate the spirit of this festival in our school premises. However, this has neither dampened our spirits nor our efforts. We are going to celebrate the coming home of Ma Durga on an online platform through a colorful presentation. We hope you will enjoy it. I will now request Principal Ma'am to say a few words. Ma'am, please.
Dear parents and my dear students, Durga Puja, as we all know, is the greatest festival of our state, and we celebrate it with great enthusiasm, pomp and grandeur. It's a 5 days of uninterrupted fun for children and adults alike. Every year, our youngest members of the DPS family usher in the spirit of Durga Puja through a colorful assembly in the junior school premises. In keeping with this tradition, this year too, the little ones have taken a lot of care in putting together a vibrant special assembly program on a virtual platform. Please acknowledge their efforts and those of their teachers and make this program a grand success. Though enjoyment is uppermost in all our minds, we should not forget the significance of this festival, which is the triumph of good over evil. Ma Durga is the goddess of strength or Shakti, and we derive inspiration from her. Her mercy helps us tide over all our sorrows and fills our lives with happiness and prosperity. This year has been a year of challenges, with the entire world falling prey to the sting of the deadly coronavirus. Thus, this puja we must celebrate with more responsibility. It is our earnest endeavor to continue to sensitize our students to the values associated with our religious festivals and all other values associated with the festivities. Wishing you all a very happy festive season. May the Divine Mother empower you with her blessings. May your lives be filled with joy and prosperity.
We will begin our program with a melodious song which speaks about Ma Durga's return to her maternal home. Om Jaya Bhutapani program and shower their blessings on us. Let us bring to you glimpses of our Durga Puja special assembly over the last 2 years. We will also take you through the various festival craft activities done by our friends from nursery to class 1 this year. We are all eagerly waiting for Durga Puja to begin. Though we have made plans to enjoy the festivities, we have decided to follow some safety precautions as well. Let us hear what our friends from UKG and Class 1 have planned this year. Hello, I am Radhika Chatterjee from Class 1 Section G. Today I am going to tell you all how I feel about Durga Puja in COVID times. Like every year, I'm eagerly waiting for Durga Puja. This time too, it's so fun to watch my mom ordering me some new dresses online. This year, I get to watch so many Durga Pujas sitting at home on TV. But I'm sad because I can't play with my friends and have fun like before. When Ma Durga comes, I will pray to her to drive away coronavirus forever so that we can all go back to school and enjoy life like before. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Mandas. I study in UKGF. Today I am going to tell you about how I am going to celebrate Durga Puja this year. Durga Puja is a big festival celebrated in honor of Goddess Durga. While the festival is celebrated across the world, but none can match the spirit of Kolkata. The whole city is decorated with lights and theme pandals, which will be less this year because of the pandemic. This year, Durga Puja will begin from 22nd October to 26th October. The celebration will begin from the Panchami day and last till Dashami. I will wear new clothes, eat a variety of food and sweets. I will also visit a few near pandals with my family, but we will not forget to keep the safety measures in mind. We will carry a hand sanitizer, wear masks and gloves. Also, we will also maintain social distance and avoid crowding near the puja pandals. Happy Puja, thank you. Durga Puja in pandemic. Hello everyone. I am Ahana Hajra from Class 1 Section H. Every year Durga Puja is celebrated as a community puja by all the families residing in our lane. This time too, we will have puja but the very low-key celebration due to COVID-19 to avoid spread of this deadly disease. None of us will gather together for the rituals and the book. The puja will be enjoyed from our respective balconies rather than mass gathering at the venue. There will be a cover on top of Ma Durga and all the sides of the pandal will remain open to enable the people to see the goddess from the safety of their homes. May Ma Durga slay Coronasura and save the world from the virus. Wishing everybody a happy and a safe Durga Puja. Thank you.
Shubho Durga Puja. I am Agnishika Mukherjee of UKG-C. It's festival time once again. Goddess Durga is coming along with her children. The celebration is all about meeting friends and go for pandal hopping. But this year it will not be possible because of this pandemic situation. I have decided to sit in my home and enjoy watching Durga Puja on my television, wearing my new clothes. But one day I will ask my mama and papa to take me out to our neighborhood pandal with all the safety measures. You all can also enjoy from your home during this difficult time. Wishing you all a happy and safe Durga Puja. Thank you. Everyone enjoys the festivities and welcomes the goddess of supreme power, Devi Durga, with open arms. Now our friends will showcase a dance expressing their happiness at the arrival of Ma Durga. Durga Puja is celebrated during the autumn season or Sharad Ritu. Sharad is a very pleasant season when the breeze becomes cooler. The sky becomes a shade of clear blue with silver clouds floating occasionally. We see beautiful flowers figures like Shuri and Kash dancing to the rhythm of the dark. The sight of the early morning dewdrops on the leaves makes us very happy. The Bengali poem Sharad, composed by Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, expresses the same emotion. Now represent a recitation of the poem Sharad by our friends.
বিশ্বকবি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের কবিতা শরৎ। এসেছে শরৎ, হিমের পরশ লেগেছে হাওয়ার পরে, সকাল বেলায় ঘাসের আগায় শিশিরের রেখা ধরে, আমলকে বন কাঁপে যেন তার, বুক করে দুরু দুরু, পেয়েছে খবর পাতা খসানো, সময় হয়েছে শুরু।
শিউলির ডালে কুড়ি ভরে এলো, টগর ফুটিল মেলা, মালতী লতায় খোঁজ নিয়ে যায় মৌমাছি দুই বেলা। গগনে গগনে বর্ষণ শেষে মেঘেরা পেয়েছে ছাড়া, বাতাসে বাতাসে ফেরে ভেসে ভেসে নাই কোনো কাছে তারা। দিঘি ভরা জল করে ধারে ধার, নানা ফুল ধারে ধারে, কচি ধান গাছে ক্ষেত ভরে আছে, হাওয়া দোলা দেয় তারে। যেদিকে তাকাই সোনার আলোয়, দেখি যে ছুটির ছবি, পূজার ফুলে বনে ওঠে ওই, পূজার দিনের রবি। নমস্কার। Oh, I'm so happy! My favorite festival, Durga Puja, is almost here. I can smell the fragrance of Shivli in the air. Let me invite you to a song presentation by our friends. Which speaks about the celebration of Navratri. Abhinandan. Navratri. आई है शुभ नवरात्रि आई, सबको लाख लाख बधाई। शेरों वाली
माँ की होगी जय जयकार, होगा भजन कीर्तन हर घर द्वार, मंदिर खूब सजे धजेंगे, चारों तरफ भंडारे बटेंगे, रखेंगे सब व्रत वास हर श्वास में लेके माँ का वास।
माँ मस्तक का चंदन, माँ फूलों की है बगिया, माँ धरा की विस्तारित, माँ ही मेरी दुनिया, माँ चांद जैसी शीतल, माँ मखमल की नर्म, माँ सृष्टि का सरोकार, सबसे बड़ा धर्म, माँ सीता सी सहनशील, माँ दुर्गा अवतरणी, माँ के श्री चरणों में मेरी है वे तरनी। लाल चुनरी, टीका पायल, चूड़ियों से माँ को मैं हूँ सजाती, आए नवरात्रि मैं झूम झूम कर खुशी के गीत गाती, आई मेरी माँ मैं खुशी से नवरात्रे हूँ मनाती, शुभ घड़ी आई है माँ का दरबार हूँ सजाती, नवरात्रों में माँ के गीत मैं झूम झूम कर हूँ गाती। Though we are all excited about the upcoming Durga Puja festival, yet we must remember that the whole world is going through a crisis. While enjoying, we must also remember to stay safe. We must defeat COVID-19 like Ma Durga defeated the evil force Mahishasura. On this note, let us end the program with a dance, worshipping the Devi Ma, celebrating the victory of good over evil. her unstinted encouragement and support. We would like to thank our teachers for guiding us in putting up this presentation. Last but not the least, I would like to say a big thank you to all my participant friends for doing such a marvelous job. Thank you and goodbye.